animals. Movement in animals is also called locomotion. Animals move from place to place for various reasons. In search of water, food, and shelter, to protect themselves and their young ones during difficult climatic conditions, as well as from enemies and predators, to find suitable partners for reproduction. Movement in terrestrial, that is, land animals. Most terrestrial animals have two pairs of limbs. The front ones are called forelimbs, while the rear ones are called hind limbs. Animals such as elephants, cows, camels, lions, tigers use their forelimbs as well as hind limbs for locomotion, such as walking, running, or climbing. Rabbits have very large, muscular rear legs, which they mostly use to escape from their predators. Their legs help them cover the ground in large, hopping strides. Frogs also have very strong hind limbs, which help them jump both higher and farther. Human beings only use their hind limbs for movement. Snakes do not have legs and therefore use their muscles and scales to push their body ahead. Movement in aerial, that is, airborne animals. Most birds fly by means of feathered wings. Their forelimbs are modified into wings. They have powerful breast muscles which help them fly in air. Their hind limbs help them to perch, hop, run, and catch prey. Tails also help them direct the flight. Birds have a very light skeleton and fast digestion, which favors flying. Bats also fly, but their wings are actually the skin folds between the forelimb bones rather than feathered wings. Insects like butterflies, bees, etc. have thin membranes which help them fly. Movement in aquatic, that is, waterborne animals. Fish are an excellent example of adaptation in animals. Their streamlined body helps them swim in water. Their fins help movement, balance, and change in direction as they move through the water. Many amphibians and ducks have webbed feet since they help them as oars or pedals when they are in the water, or to walk on the soft, wet mud when they are on the land close to the water body. Penguins, that is, aquatic flightless birds, as well as sea turtles, have their forelimbs in the form of flippers which help them swim in water. Locomotion. Free swimming. Jellyfish is a free-swimming animal. Jet propulsion. Jet propulsion is a method of locomotion in which force is applied by pushing a jet of water or air in the opposite direction of movement. This helps the animal to move in the desired direction. Movement of octopus and squid occurs through jet propulsion. Their tentacles help them catch prey. The tail fin of a fish helps it to change direction. Flippers and hind rudders are found in penguins and sea turtles. Whales have very strong flippers. Ducks and swans are aquatic birds with webbed feet that act as oars and help them swim. Movement of tree dwellers. Animals that live high up in the trees leap through the branches, but they can get badly injured or even die if they fall. Apart from the limbs, these animals have a strong tail to give them additional grip and support both for climbing up or sliding down trees. Movement in animals living on open grounds. Animals that live in vast open grasslands prefer to hop and jump to cover long distances rather than run to save on energy. Most hoppers have long hind limbs and much shorter forelimbs. Kangaroo, wallaby, African spring hare, and gerbil all hop around to find food and escape danger. Movement in animals with small legs. Tree frogs have sticky pads on the tips of their toes, which act as suckers and give them the grip to walk on smooth and slippery surfaces. Geckos have thousands of microscopic hair on each foot, and the tip of each hair has lots of tiny pads. As the gecko slides across any smooth surface, including glass ceilings, the tiny pads and hair grip the surface just like Velcro. The gecko slides its foot in the opposite direction to lift it. Draco is commonly known as flying lizard. These lizards fan out their ribs into a pair of stiff flaps which they fold or unfold like a pair of wings as they launch themselves into the air from high up a tree. This is how they glide to the next nearest tree and avoid the dangers of moving on the forest floor.